Hi guys, today we're going to ask my colleagues for the very one simple question na what is DevCom? So we'll go to Alvin. Let's go! Hi Sir Alvin!
Hi!
Live on the vlog!
Ano yan?
Ayan. For you,
Hello
what is
po.
DevCom? Very simple lang, tsaka direct.
DevCom. Ang hirap dahil. Joke lang. DevCom, first na-encounter ko yung... Tayo na lang ako.
Sige.
First na na-encounter ko yung DevCom kasi nung nasa government agency. Kasi Broadcom lang yung alam ko. So yung DevCom parang more on information dissemination ng mga agency, yung strategy nila sa kung paano magbibigay ng information sa public for societal change, para sa information ng mga beneficiaries, for example. Ganun. So parang feeling ko mas nakaano siya sa mga interagencies. Grabe naman yun, biglaan.
Thank you.
Hindi ko alam yun Thank you.
Nakuha ko dun sa point mo is change and information.
Yes, information
Sir,
dissemination.
So thank you Sir Alvin.
Hi.
Now let's proceed to Sir Nino. Hindi ko alam kung kilala nyo siya.
Hello,
Hi
welcome
Sir
to our vlog.
Nins. Ayan, very
What's your
direct
question?
lang.
Okay.
What is DevCom?
DevCom for me ay ang tulay para sa pag-asa at pagbabago. Ganun ba kaikli? Hindi. DevCom yung nagiging instrumento para mas marinig natin yung mga nasa laylayan, the most vulnerable, marginalized sectors of our society, at maging boses. Tayo naman yung nagiging boses para marinig sila at magawa ng paraan yung mga problema kinakaharap.
Yeah, that's true. 2 points lang din ako kay Sir Nino. One is serves as a bridge and the voice of our vulnerable sector. Thank you, Sir Nins.
DevCom.
And now let's go to Ma'am Andeng.
Tama yung sinabi nila, tama.
Magsalita ka. So for you, what is DevCom?
Sabi ng aking nabasa, DevCom, syempre siya, no, two-way communication. Kumbaga, parang tinatry mo mag-disseminate na information, at the same time, na-engage mo yung stakeholders no, na para magkaroon din sila ng pag-iisip tungkol dun sa advocacy man yan o etc. Basta ganun. Parang ang gusto mo dun i-achieve is magbuo ng consensus. Ayun. Ganon.
Alam mo, nakuha ko dun sa point mo for being set as a DevCom practitioners. One, yung mga stakeholder, malaki yung piniplay na roles natin. Tsaka yung consensus, very important. Thank you, Ma'am Andeng, for
Bye.
this. And now, let's move on to Sir Larry. Sir Larry, for you, what is DevCom?
DevCom, para sa akin ang DevCom ay estratehiya
Strategy.
para ibigay mo yung tamang impormasyon
Oh, iba naman yung perspective ni Sir Larry.
para
It's a strategy of providing new information.
Yes.
Alright. From the perspective na isang IT, ha? So, thank you so much, guys!
Hi guys again. It's been a tough day for me. Kanina tinanong natin yung mga colleagues ko about this DevCom, and 4 of my closest friends po ay nagbigay ng kanilang opinion and personal definition ng what is DevCom. And I think they have their own perspective, they have different path on how they're going to define and explain what is DevCom. And for the last part of my for the last part of my no edit vlog, for my reflections and this is paper or material, I think I deserve to have a 100% grade for this, even tutorial is edit or because I just want to show you what is the real happening in my life, like what is going through day by day, and what is the real I want to draw. Just like DevCom is raw communication branch that will give us the true meaning and your perspective of what is communication in terms of the So that's it guys, and